Hi everyone. In this video, you should learn about how to create user-defined functions and processor and packages. So first of all, let me explain what is function and processor and package in Oracle SQL Developer means. So these all are the Oracle objects which perform a specific task based on the use case. So here, based on simple example, I am trying to explain how to create a function and processor and package in Oracle. Here what I am doing is based on employee number, I am trying to find out the salary along with the bonus. So additionally, I am adding the bonus of 500 here. Let me take example without bonus. I'll show you. So let me remove the bonus here. Let me run. Yeah. So this is the salary, and based on the salary, I am additionally adding the bonus of 500 here. Let me create the function by using the same query. So previously I have already explained about the attribute declaration method in my previous videos. So in function, especially we have return type, but stored procedure we don't have any return type. This is the only difference between function and stored procedure. The functionality should be the same. So based on the use case, sometimes we are using the functions and sometimes we are using the stored procedure. So and sometimes we are using the packages. So I will explain in detail in the same video. This is the syntax: create or replace function. This is the function name and these all are the variables. So this is the in data type and return will be give the output of the same results. So let me run this. Here what I am doing, select. This is the select query, whatever I have used here. So I am adding the bonus value to the existing salary. I am storing into the variable. So this is the total variable. Based on the employee number, whatever I have given, it will be stored the maximum salary into this variable. The variable I have already declared here. So finally, it will give the return value of the respective employee number. Let me run this. Create or replace function. So yeah, function has executed successfully. How we can check the function? So you can expand here. So functions. This is the same function just now I have created. You can see here, and how we can execute the function. Let me run this. By using the select query, dual means a dummy table in Oracle. In my previous videos, I have already explained about this dual table. So whatever the function you have used, what are all the fields you have passed here? Employee number and bonus. So you should have to pass the same fields here. Employee number and bonus. Based on that, whatever the output you will get, automatically the same results it will show here, 5500. Let me run the same query here. Yeah, 5500 for this employee number. The same result you can see here. You can see here 5500. So I can use the same function in select query also based on our use case. So these all are the user defined functions. You can see here, this is I have created just now. So this is the way we can create a function, especially for perform a specific task. How we can drop the function? Simply drop function name. Once you executed, automatically it was dropped. So let me refresh here. If you are trying to check for any function, there is no function is available. You can see here there is no function because just now I have dropped. This is about to function. Next, procedure. Procedure also same like a Oracle object which can perform a specific task same like a function. What is the main difference between function and procedure means procedure having out field, okay, but function have return statement. Here you can see the difference. I have taken the same example, okay, same, everything will be the same. So instead of function, I am creating the procedure here. So create or replace procedure name, and these all are the fields, same fields whatever I have taken in previous, okay. So this is the same example. Here we don't have any kind of the return field because we have out field. This is showing the output result. Let me run this. Yeah, procedure has created successfully. How we can check the procedure here? Let me refresh. Okay, yeah, you can see here procedure, the same procedure it has created. How we can execute the procedure? We can execute the procedure in two ways. So either we can use declare statement method or we can use execute method. It will give the same result. Let me run this. Yeah, you can see for same 7839 the salary will be the 5500. In previously also we have seen the same salary. This is the example. Yeah, 5500. Okay, by using this declare method, yeah, you can see 5500. Or we can use by using the execute method, exec, whatever the stored procedure name you have used to, yeah, it is giving the same result, 5500. How we can drop the procedure? Simply drop procedure name, automatically it will be dropped. Let me drop this. Yeah, it was dropped here. Let me refresh. Yeah, there is no procedure. You can see here, even I have expanded, but there is no procedure. So this is about function and procedure. So apart from function and procedure, we have packages also in the RKL. What package will do? Okay, it will holding the multiple functions and procedures. So not only functions and procedures, it will hold multiple objects. Okay, let me explain in detail about packages in RKL. So package contain two bodies. First one will be the declaration part and the second one will be the body part. So let me explain here. This is the package declaration. Here you can see create or replace package. This is the package name. Here I have declared two function. I mean here I have declared two objects. So first one will be the function object, second one will be the procedure object. So first of all, let me run this package declaration. So before that you have to use the syntax mandatory, whatever the syntax you are using. So end package, let me run this. Package has created successfully. Now you can see create or replace. This is a package. Same example, whatever the example previously I have used it for function declaration and procedure declaration. Here I am using the same example. So here function we have return statement, procedure we don't have any return statement. Here we have auto variable. Okay, so how you can check the packages here? Yeah, just now I have created the same package. You can see here salary package. So here you can see salary package. This is the package declaration only. Only package has declared. So this is the package body. What kind of data you are trying to store in the specific package? That means the specific object. Either it might be the function object or it might be the procedure object. Okay, here in package declaration I have declared two objects. So first one will be the function object and the second one will be the procedure object. Package declaration completed. Next, package body. Here you can see create or replace. This is the package body. The syntax you can see very clear. This is the package. So it comes to the package declaration part. Next, this is the package body, the same package name. Okay, so while creating the package declaration, you should have to use the same package. If you are using the wrong package, automatically it will give the wrong results. That means the package is not existed. It will give some kind of error. So this is the package body declaration. Let me run this. Here how many you have declared, you should have to use the same objects. Here I have declared two objects. So first one will be the function object, second one will be the procedure object. That is the reason here I am using the two objects. Let me run this. So package body also compiled successfully. That means package body also executed. Now, how you can execute the individual function and individual procedure which aligned with the package body. Okay, so this is the function execution. Previously also I have explained the same example. You can use the dual method for package execution. Okay, so this is a function execution. The same method I am using in package execution also. So this is the package name and this is the function name. Okay, let me run this. Yeah, same example, 5500. The same value you can see here, 5500 for the specific employee number. Okay, this is a function execution. Same like how you can execute the procedure. Same, we can execute the procedure either two ways. One is declare method, second one will be the execute method. Let me execute. For execution mandatory, you have to declare package name along with the procedure name, or package name along with the function name. It's a mandatory because we have declared individual Oracle objects inside the package. So it's a mandatory to declare the package before executing the function. Okay, you can see here 5500 by using this exec method. Second one will be declare method. Let me run this. You can see 5500. So this is the way we can declare a function and procedure and package in Oracle SQL Developer. That's all about this video, guys. Thank you.